Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of focus on the how to fix or how to solve the application of focus. We go to settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we search about the application of focus and you will enter, and then you will click on first stop here and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage, and after that here we click on clear cache. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time. In another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.